Call of Duty Black Ops 6 in first beta testing. Here's the good and the bad. The top-tier gaming sphere has long been buzzing with echoes of the impending release of Call of Duty Black Ops 6, and way beyond something which could strike the Call of Duty geeks with euphoria. The new sequel to the Call of Duty is undergoing the first ever beta testing phase. Considering the unwilling division and the hype around this heavy-duty game with challenging graphics, GadInsider is here before you, bringing to the table both sides of the coin. A bit of the good about Call of Duty Black Ops 6 is that it's revived the drop round-based zombies, but concurrently, a precarious new movement system is in the pipeline for the core Call of Duty multiplayer experience. Here we're referring to Omni Movement, which extends players with the ability to sprint and dive in any direction. While some found the combination of Black Ops 6's swift time to kill and Omni Movement to be a catalyst, making this year's Call of Duty the fastest to date, others appear doubtful about it. Coming to what perhaps would draw players' ear, the following 4 maps are available in the Black Ops 6 beta yet: Rewind, Derelict, Scud, and Skyline. Out of these, the latter 3 precede the first in terms of existence, as it was added a week after the rest. The discouraging aspect is that Derelict is tailored for short bursts, a basic cramped 3-lane design. As of Scud, it makes players see combat rather than being a battle-welcoming field.